Hello, my name is Lovisa and I am a product owner in the LS Pay team at LS Retail. In this video, I will go through the hardware setup for Moneris terminals. At this point, I assume the LS hardware station has already been installed and you have the configuration details from Moneris. On the computer where the hardware station is running, browse to localhost 8088 and log in. To create new EFT, press EFT and name the EFT a descriptive name for the terminal. Now select the payment service provider from the payment provider list. Open the EFT list and select the plugin that was created. A list of available settings is displayed to manage the connectivity with the terminal or host. Please make sure you have all the details from Moneris regarding the cloud communication. First, let's make sure the correct timeout value is set in milliseconds. The Moneris terminal is connected through Ethernet and the Moneris gateway. The terminal ID is displayed on the terminal at startup. You can also find it in the Moneris gateway. Please contact Moneris for further details. When all the settings have been registered, press Load to load the plugin with correct settings. To validate if the connection has been correctly configured, press Purchase. Enter the amount and currency. The terminal should display the amount and continue with the purchase process. In this instance, the purchase request will not finish with approval because the terminal needs unique ID for every transaction sent to the terminal. Please make sure the POS will send unique ID for each transaction request. The connection, however, has now been validated and we know there is a connection between LS hardware station and the terminal.